Hi friend, myself Rashid, and today I will going to tell you about the fire extinguisher system. So this one is a fire extinguisher, and this one is DCP, dry chemical powder. See the label is blue. The cylinder having blue color or blue label, it's mean that it is ABC powder. See, it is of 5 kg, 6 kg in weight. It is written over there ABC powder. ABC means what? It will be applicable on class A fire, class B fire, and class C fire. So, what is class A fire? Class A fire is that fire occur from wood, paper, plastic, and class B fire is flammable gases, and class C is flammable liquids. So, and this is also applicable for electrical fire occurrence. So here this one is gas releasing reel, this one is nozzle, this one is lever for squeezing, this is the pressure gauge. We can see the pressure in this extinguisher. Pressure is from 0 to 28 bar, and operating pressure is 15 bar. See, if the needle will be in between that green area, means the pressure is good, and if it will come to the 0 side, red area, then it means that pressure is low. And although it will move toward 28 bars red area, it means that it is having high pressure. So we'll have to do ppm regularly in every month. This one is a tab for sealing this pin so that it will not pull it out. And see how to use if there will be any fire, then how we'll have to use this extinguisher. So this one is very important to know how to use the extinguisher. First of all, pull out safety pin. What you will have to do is you will have to pull it out, the pin. After that we will have to aim this jet to the fire, this pipe to the fire base of the fire. We'll have to do like this. We'll have use like this toward the base of the fire, and we'll have to squeeze the lever like this. We'll have to squeeze the lever from here, and we'll have to use the like this. We'll have to sweep. So this is some about how to use this extinguisher. The operating temperature, the temperature range is from minus 20 degrees Celsius. See, minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 60 degrees Celsius, and the operating pressure is 15 bar, and the test pressure is 30 bar. So these are some little knowledge about this, so that you can briefly knowledge about fire extinguisher DCP. So it will be good for you if you want to know about this extinguisher. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel Fighters 24/7. Thank you.